Understanding the word action for IELTS success. Action is a powerful word that you'll encounter often in everyday life and in your IELTS exam. Understanding how to use it correctly can really boost your language skills. Let's explore this important word together. Word type action can be used as both a noun and verb in English. This versatility makes it a valuable word to master. Meaning as a noun, action refers to the process of doing something, especially to achieve a goal. It can also mean an exciting event or occurrence. As a verb, to action means to start or carry out a plan or task. Word history: the word action comes from Latin, originally meaning to do or perform. This root helps us remember its core meaning of doing something. Antonyms, some opposites of action, include inaction, idleness, and stillness. These words describe a lack of movement or activity. Synonyms: words with similar meanings to action include deed, act, and movement. These can often be used interchangeably with action in many contexts. Examples used in sentences here are some examples of how to use action in sentences. The movie was full of exciting action scenes. The manager promised to take action on the customer's complaint. We need to action this project immediately to meet the deadline. Common errors in use: one common mistake is confusing action with acting. While action refers to doing something, acting usually refers to performing in a play or movie. Another error is using action as a verb too casually in formal writing. In formal contexts, it's often better to use more specific verbs like implement or execute. To sum up, action is a versatile and important word in English. It generally means doing something or the process of activity. Remember, it can be both a noun and a verb, and it's often used in contexts involving movement, decisions, or plans. Mastering this word will definitely help you in your IELTS exam and in everyday English use.